Welcome to Macro Money Talk, where we dissect the hidden truth behind wealth, numbers, and your financial freedom journey today. Imagine owning a massive $2 million mansion that represents success, yet it silently drains your wallet every single month. Is it truly better to own that prestigious asset if it costs you $5,000 in maintenance fees constantly? Or is it actually better to receive $500 in pure cash after taxes, deposited directly into your pocket? This question highlights the fundamental difference between looking rich on paper and actually having the freedom to live your life. Let us start by defining net worth, a metric that society uses to keep score of your financial success globally. How net worth is simply the total value of everything you own, minus the total value of everything you currently owe. It includes your real estate, your retirement accounts, your savings, and even the estimated value of your car and jewelry. However, this number can be incredibly misleading because it does not reflect how much money you can actually spend today. The problem is that for most people, 80% of their net worth is locked away in their primary residence. Along with the house, the rest is often tied up in retirement funds that you cannot touch without severe penalties. These are what we call illiquid assets, meaning they cannot be easily converted into cash to pay for groceries or bills. You cannot go to the grocery store and pay for your weekly food by giving them a piece of your roof. This introduces a much more critical concept known as liquid net worth, which is the true measure of immediate financial power. Liquid net worth is the amount of money you can access immediately, right now, without selling your home or waiting years. Having a high net worth but low liquidity is like being a billionaire who is stuck on a deserted island alone. You might look incredibly wealthy to the outside world, but internally, you are constantly stressed about covering your next expense. This brings us to the heartbeat of your financial life, which is cash flow. The actual movement of money daily. Cash flow is defined as the real money moving in and out of your life regularly, calculated as income minus expenses. When your cash flow is positive, it means you have more money coming in than going out, giving you safety. Positive cash flow gives you options, allowing you to invest, save, or handle emergencies without panic or needing to borrow. Conversely, negative cash flow puts you in a defensive position, forcing you to scramble just to keep your head above water. You can be house rich and cash poor, living in a palace, but eating instant noodles because liquidity is zero. Without cash flow, you are vulnerable to any economic downturn, job loss, or unexpected medical emergency that life throws at you. We need to redefine financial freedom. It is not about hitting a magic number like $1 million in assets. True freedom comes from the reliability of your income. It is about knowing that money will arrive regardless of work. If your monthly passive income is greater than your monthly living expenses, you are functionally free right this very second. It does not matter if your net worth is low, if your bills are covered by assets, you own your time. The traditional retirement model of working for 40 years and then slowly drawing down your savings is fundamentally broken today. Inflation is eating away at the purchasing power of your savings faster than safe investments can possibly grow to match it. Rising medical costs mean that the nest egg you thought was huge might disappear in just a few short years. Relying on a finite pile of cash is risky because you do not know how long you will actually live. The solution is to build a cash flow system. We break this down into 5 actionable steps for you to follow. Step 1 is active income. You must maximize your earning potential through your career, business, or high-value skills immediately. Step 2 is increasing your margin. This means widening the gap between what you earn and what you spend daily. Step 3 is reinvesting. You must take that margin and buy assets that pay you, not toys that cost you. Step 4 is systemization. Turn your investments into automated processes that require less of your personal time to manage effectively. Step 5 is sustain. Keep this cycle going until your passive cash flow covers every single one of your bills. When you reach that point, you have achieved true freedom. You are no longer a slave to a paycheck or boss. So, back to the original question. The $2 million house is a trap if it does not produce income. The $500 in monthly cash flow is the seed of freedom. It is consistent, reliable, and keeps you safe. Stop chasing a high net worth number to impress strangers. Start building a cash flow engine to impress your future self. Wealth is not about what you have. It is about what you keep and how much freedom it buys you. Focus on the flow, not the pile. The pile can be depleted, but the flow can last for generations, forever. This strategy allows you to sleep better at night, knowing your family is protected by a shield of recurring income. You hold the key to your financial destiny. It requires a shift in mindset from accumulation to cash flow generation. The journey might take time, but the destination of total financial independence is worth every single step you take today. Start today by auditing your finances. Calculate your liquid net worth and see where you truly stand right now. Identify where your money is leaking. Plug the holes and redirect that capital into assets that pay you back. Look for dividend stocks, rental properties, or digital businesses. Anything that puts money in your pocket without your presence. Time is your most valuable asset. Cash flow buys you time. Net worth just gives you a heavy scorecard. Discipline is choosing what you want most over what you want now. Choose freedom over flashing fake wealth to others. Build your financial battery. Let it charge up until it can power your entire lifestyle without you needing to work. The world is designed to take your money. You must design a system to keep it and make it grow. Every dollar you save is a worker. Every dollar you invest is a soldier fighting for your future freedom. Teach this to your children. Break the cycle of debt and consumerism that traps so many families in poverty. Breaking free requires courage. It requires going against the grain and doing what the majority of people refuse to do. Do not follow the herd. The herd is broke, stressed, and living paycheck to paycheck while pretending to be rich. Be the architect of your own life. Draw the plans, lay the foundation, and build your fortress brick by brick. Patience is your ally. Wealth is not built overnight, but cash flow can be improved starting from your next paycheck. As the sun rises on your new financial understanding, realize that you have the power to change your reality today. Monitor your progress. What gets measured gets managed. Track your cash flow weekly and watch how your life changes. Educate yourself constantly. The rules of money change, and you need to stay sharp to keep your cash flow positive. Diversify your streams. Do not rely on just one source. If one dries up, the others keep you alive. Build deep roots. Your financial foundation must be strong enough to weather any storm the global economy brings. Say no to bad debt. If it does not put money in your pocket, do not sign on the dotted line. Drive the modest car. Live in the modest home. Use the difference to buy your freedom sooner rather than later. Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. Let your cash flow compound and do the heavy lifting for you. Tend to your garden. Remove the weeds of unnecessary expenses and water the plants of your income-producing assets. Keep your compass set on freedom. Do not get distracted by the shiny objects that society tries to sell you. The climb is hard, but the view from the top is worth it. Financial independence is the ultimate mountain to conquer. Surround yourself with builders. Be around people who talk about ideas and growth, not people who talk about spending. Your time is limited. Do not waste another year playing the game by the old rules that no longer work. Harvest your potential. You have skills and talents that can be monetized to create the cash flow you need. Automate your success. Make saving and investing a habit that happens without you even having to think about it. Each month, you stick to the plan, your wall gets higher. Eventually, nothing can breach your financial security ever again. Imagine the sleep you will have when you know your bills are paid before you even wake up in the morning. Set a date for your freedom. Work backwards from that date and calculate exactly how much cash flow you need. You do not have to wait until 65. With aggressive cash flow management, you can retire in a decade or less. Health is wealth too. Use your freedom to take care of your body so you can enjoy your money longer. Adjust your sails. If the wind changes, adjust your strategy, but never change the destination of total financial freedom. Review your portfolio. Cut the losers and feed the winners. And be ruthless with your money management to ensure growth. Rise above the noise. Ignore the consumer culture that tells you to spend. Focus on the production culture of investing. Wealth enables generosity. When your cup overflows with cash flow, you can help others without hurting your own stability. Money is a tool. It is neutral. It is up to you to master it and make it work for good. There is no feeling quite like seeing a deposit notification pop up on your phone while you are out having fun. Build the bridge to your dreams. Cash flow is the steel and concrete that makes that bridge safe to cross. The principles are timeless. Spend less than you earn. Invest the difference. Repeat until you are wealthy. It is simple. Remove temptation. If you cannot resist spending, remove the apps and triggers that cause you to lose your money. Protect your capital. Rule number 1 is do not lose money. Rule number 2 is do not forget Rule 1. You are the captain of your ship. Navigate away from the rocky shores of debt and towards the open sea. Peace is the ultimate dividend. Financial peace allows you to be present with your loved ones and enjoy the moment. Practice gratitude. Appreciate the cash flow you have now, and it will grow. A scarcity mindset repels money away. Be a lighthouse for others. Once you achieve freedom, guide others away from the rocks of financial ruin and despair. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. Start building now. Do not wait for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is a myth. Start with what you have right now. Step by step, rung by rung, you will climb out of the rat race and into a life of abundance. Unlock your potential. You are capable of generating more value than you realize. Believe in your ability to earn. Visualize your success. See the cash flowing into your account. Feel the freedom it brings. Then go make it real. Your portfolio should be like a forest. Diverse, self-sustaining, and growing stronger with every passing season of your life. Partnerships can accelerate your growth. Find people who have what you lack and build wealth together through collaboration. You have the power to print your own paycheck. Stop waiting for a boss to decide what you are worth. The ocean of opportunity is vast. Do not be afraid to dip your toes in. Then learn to swim. Then sail. Bloom where you are planted. Use the resources you have currently to start your journey. Do not make excuses. Checking that box of financial independence will be the greatest achievement of your adult life. It changes everything forever. Keep the fire alive. Motivation gets you started, but habit keeps you going. Make cash flow a daily habit. Provide value to others. The more people you serve, the more money flows to you. Money follows value creation. Think big. Do not limit yourself to small dreams. Your potential for wealth creation is as vast as the sky. Review your year. Celebrate the wins. Learn from the losses. Constant improvement is the name of the game. Lift the anchor. Let go of the bad habits and bad debts that have been holding your ship stationary. This is possible for you. Regardless of your background or starting point, the principles of cash flow work for everyone. Remember, liquid net worth, positive cash flow, and income reliability. These are the 3 pillars of your new life. Thank you for watching Macro Money Talk. Subscribe now to build your own cash flow engine and achieve true freedom.